BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President JOTIN YAIRIPOK alleged that the delimitation exercise plan in Thangmeiban constituency is an attempt to gain political mileage by Thangmeiban MLA KH JOYKISHAN. He said people of the constituency will not accept it. The Supreme Court has ruled that Manipur's Social Welfare and Manhood Minister OKRAM Henry has no problem in holding a ministerial post. Earlier, Henry filed a right petition in the apex court. Mention may be made that Henry took oath as a minister in the BJP-led government in Manipur on September 28, 2020. According to Article 164(4) of the Constitution, an individual cannot become a minister without becoming an MLA, and that the minister should contest in an election within a 6 months' time. However, election was not held in WAIKHOM constituency due to COVID-19 pandemic, the home constituency of Henry. The Manipur High Court had reserved the right petition by Henry on March 17. The second phase of Iracha Singh Mikap Thoklasi, an anti-drug awareness campaign, was organized by lamjingbatomtv Irabut Celebration Committee Juvenile Group at Koirangai Uram Mapal Community Hall in Imphal East today. A one-day Ayush Health Camp cum awareness program was organized by Directorate of Ayush State Ayush Society and Merging Sporting Club Haingang Awang Laikai at Haingang Awang Laikai today. Altogether, 400 residents were treated and provided free medicines during the camp. Lok Sabha MP for Manipur Dr. R.K. RANJAN during 0 hour in the Parliament yesterday urged Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to revise the current financial allocations for the northeastern region of India. Dr. RANJAN in the House said that during the first NDA government led by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, it was decided that 10% of the budget of every ministry and department should be earmarked for the northeastern region. Campaigning for the first phase of Assam Assembly elections ends today. Election Commission of India (ECI) said that the election campaign in 47 Assam Assembly constituencies under Phase 1 will come to an end at 6 p.m. today, 48 hours prior to the close of polls on March 27. During this period, no person shall convene, hold or attend, join or address any public meetings, processions, etc. and display of election matter by means of television and similar apparatus, the ECI added. India has registered 53,476 fresh cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 1,17,87,534 according to Worldometer. As per a media report, the death toll from the deadly infection jumped to 1,60,726. India has the 7th highest number of active cases globally. Maharashtra recorded a fresh peak of 31,855, up from the previous high of 30,535 registered on March 21st last. And state tally went up to 25,64,881 till date, 3 days after crossing the 2.50 million mark. Imphal East Police today launched a drive against sale of meat in illegal manner. Subdivisional Police Officer SDPO Porompat Saraj and Officer in Charge Porompat Binod Kumar led the drive under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Haubisam. Speaking exclusively to TOMTV, Porompat Police Officer in Charge Binod Kumar said that despite repeated warning to the meat sellers, they continue to sell meat along footpaths by violating rules. The shopkeepers have been asked to sell meat in a hygienic manner, he said. A team of YAIRIPOK police station today seized 5 carton boxes of illegal wind cigarettes from an A-Star car bearing registration number MN04P1555 during frisking and checking at YAIRIPOK WAIKHOM area near YAIRIPOK Universal College. The team also recovered 8 carton boxes of wind cigarettes from a residence of Laishram Brojan Singh. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Kakching Mandal convened a booth-level committee meeting today at the residence of Kakching constituency MLA Mayang Lambam Rameshwar in Kakching, Makhalo. BJP Kakching Mandal President Sogaijam Samjai, MLA Mayang Lambam Rameshwar and party leaders were present at the meet, which discussed ways to strengthen BJP organization in Kakching constituency.